Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. And firstly we need to check if you have the last software version. So open HUAWEI AI Life application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then go to update at the left bottom. Now check for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one. Right here at the bottom you will see a button with download and you just tap on it. Now if it didn't help you or you haven't new software version, you need to place your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now wait about 15 seconds, and after 15 seconds the battery level of your earbuds in the charging case will update. So then you just open it and check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.